Hi and welcome again to Nebu Resort Residences monthly construction update. You know me by now, my name is Nick Meredith, partner and sales director for the group. I'm standing behind me, this is Hotel E, Kosak Wing A, and this is the temporary check-in area lobby bar for phase 1. All right, and we're going to be now going to go over and have a look at Wing B, show you where the construction is up at that stage as well. Behind me is Hotel E, Wing B, or in Thai, as I mentioned in the last construction update, Kosak. As you can see, we're on the 3rd floor. The 4th floor will be poured in the next couple of weeks. Again, this is now nearing sellout and nearing completion. So please, if you are interested in any final rooms, please get in touch with your sales agent as soon as possible. Thank you very much.